verse for today is in Hebrews 10, verse 39. But we are not of those who shrink back and are destroyed, but of those who believe and are saved. Yes, friends, we are not one of those that will shrink back, one of those that will backslide. We have started our walk with the Lord, friends. Let's press on. Let's persevere. Don't turn back. There is no point, friends, in turning back now that we've tasted of the goodness of God. So keep pressing on. You might be wanting to be blessed, friends, and the blessing is not yet coming. But it's not a good reason for you to turn away from God. You could be going through some suffering today. And you suffer so much, friends, and there is no relief coming, you said. But it's not right to turn away from God. See, you have tasted of the goodness of God. You know His word. You know His promises. Will God fail? Well, it's just a matter of time, friends. So keep pressing on because you will be greatly rewarded. But if you turn back, we are told that you will be destroyed. So why be destroyed, friends, by unbelief? Don't allow yourself to be destroyed, but rather believe and be saved. Amen. That's the point here, friends. Keep believing that the Lord may save you. Yes, friends, it's not coming yet. But remember, God has His own perfect time. And when it comes, that's the best time for you to receive all those blessings. But if you shrink back, well, nobody has suffered but you. Because we are told today, friends, you will be destroyed. Yes, you'll be destroyed by your unbelief, by your doubt, by your impatience, and everything else that goes with this. And so, friends, hold on to the faith. This is the message for us. Amen. Keep pressing on, trusting in the Lord. He will surely bless you. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you. May His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. May He lift up His countenance on you and give you His peace, His shalom. God bless. See you next time.